did we get? There's an RV behind us. And our old RV is sitting right there. And guess what? Miss Abby's not talking. She's not going to tell. So stay tuned. You're going to find out very soon. Enjoy life, because tomorrow's not promised. And your next dream, your next adventure is just over the horizon. So let's get out and enjoy life. We made the decision of selling everything and downsizing and to go full time and explore this beautiful country. Yeah, we're nervous. Yeah, we're a little scared. But that's part of the journey. Because, as we all know, just everyday normal life in a sticks and bricks can be scary at times too. You never know what's going to break down, what's got to be replaced. So, we know we got friends out there on the road. We met a huge group of them at the Mayberry meetup in Mount Airy, North Carolina. We entered that campfire ring as friends. We left as family. And if you want to be a part of that wonderful Mayberry meetup, get your reservation in now. Campsites are filling up quick. But right now, we're going to head to Arizona for a big quartzsite meetup by Papa Drew and Roy and Becky's Travels, and so many other channels are going to be there. Grand Adventure, Traveling Robert, so many of them. And all precautions are being taken. So that's a good security plus in our hearts. Because I do have a low immune system. So I have to watch things too. And watch out for Miss Abby. So, you just have to stay tuned to this channel to find out what we got. And then follow our journey across this beautiful land, exploring national parks, state parks, historical areas, so many places. I have a huge list on my bucket list to explore. And Miss Abby, maybe we'll eventually get to find a new little mate. We're looking to adopt another little small dog. So stay tuned. Miss Abby, you gonna keep our secret of what we got? What's behind the truck?
Yes, Mommy. No doggy treat in the world is gonna get me to talk. Yeah.
Good job, Miss Abby.